So I thought we'd ease into this idea of adding and subtracting rational expressions by starting by adding ones that already have common denominators, okay? And once we have a good feel for how to do this, we'll add in ones that don't have common denominators. So first let's go over the steps for doing it. The first thing would usually be to get a common denominator, but this is already done in these two. So step one is really to add or subtract the numerators, leaving the denominators the same. That's step one, okay? Step two is to simplify, and you may need a factor to simplify, okay? So let's do that. We'll take a look. We'll kind of do each of these problems kind of as, well, let's do one at a time. Let's do, because I don't want to get it confusing. First thing to do is add or subtract the numerators. Well, in this situation, we're going to be adding 2x plus 5. So we have 2x plus 5. That's all divided by our denominator. Now, you don't add the denominators. Remember that. They just stay the same. So it's just x plus 3. Okay? Now, we got to ask ourselves, can we factor anything? Can't pull a 2 out of this 5, so that's good to go. X plus 3, nothing cancels around top and bottom. There you go. Done. We just did it. That's that problem. Done. Not too bad, right? Let's give another shot over on this problem to the right. So we first have to take the x and we subtract the 9. X squared minus 9. Okay, and that's all over x minus 3. Okay, now we got to ask ourselves, can we factor anything? Well, the bottom is pretty good. Can't do anything to this, but the top can be factored. We have the x squared plus 9, so we're going to factor that right over here. I'll put my minus 9. Sorry, it was x squared minus 9. I'll put my 0 up top because there's no b. I ask myself, what times what is negative 9? That add together would be 0. I get 3 and negative 3. And so that's my factor. We get x plus 3, x minus 3. Okay? So let's rewrite this equation. We're going to take this right here, and we're going to rewrite it as x plus 3 over x minus 3. And in the denominator, we still have our x minus 3. Now, can we simplify anything? Look, is anything there to simplify? Yeah, we have two common factors. Check out. We have the x minus 3. Okay, we can cancel off with this x minus 3. And what are we left with? Our final solution is just this x plus 3 right here. So I'll just rewrite again. X plus 3 is our solution. So that is how you add and subtract rational expressions. I'm going to move on. The next one's going to show you how to do it when the denominators are not the same. Okay?